Hey guys, welcome back to our Linux tutorial series presented by CryptSec. So I'm Saroj and I'll be instructor for this video. So basically in this series of Linux tutorial, we have already gone through some of its basic as well as advanced concepts. So today in this video, we are going to launch the command line utilities for managing the packages as well as softwares based on Ubuntu or Debian Linux distros. So without any further delay, let's begin. So before moving to the command line, let us first understand what do you mean by package management in Linux. Okay, so in general, package management is a collection of tools through which we can manage the softwares and the applications for our system. So in other words, it is a collection of tools through which we can frequently install, update, upgrade and remove the applications from our system when required. So let us look how we can update the packages through the command line interface. So for updating the packages, we need to type sudo apt update. So if I type sudo apt update and hit enter, it will ask for my sudo password. Now it has been prompting some of the links. So those links are those repositories. Okay, so repositories are those live servers where our packages are meant to be stored. So when you type sudo apt update, it will hit those repositories and find out those packages, and if there is any update for those packages, it will update it. Okay, so in my case there is no any update for those packages, then so it has not been prompting the messages. Okay, so also if there is any of the newest version available for these packages, it will show us the messages in our terminal. Okay, so in my case there is no any upgrade version of those packages available in my system. So if I need to upgrade any of those packages, then I can do it through sudo apt upgrade. Okay, so by typing sudo apt upgrade, then giving the package name with it or the application name with it, we can upgrade those packages to the newest version. Okay, so in my case there is no any upgradation for those packages. Okay, so now let us look how we can install the applications or the packages in my system. Okay, so if I need to install sudo apt and give the package name. Okay, so if I need to install any of the packages, then I can do sudo apt install and the package name. So for the sake of example, I am writing desktop as my package or the application name. Okay, so before installing any of the packages in your system, we need to source for it. Okay, by typing sudo apt source and the package name. Okay, so when you type sudo apt source desktop, it will go for those repositories and find out if there is any packages called desktop available for the system or not. So if I simply hit enter, then we can see my screen, it has easily fetched the desktop from my repositories. Okay, so it means desktop package is being available from my system. So the same source or the can be done through sudo apt list and the package name. Now it will give us the specific package. Okay, so before it was showing the packages which has keywords stop in the package. Now it has shown us only the package which which has stop in their sentence. Okay, so now look, now let's have a look how we can install this package. Okay, so in this example I'm telling I want to install stop, then I can do it through sudo apt install stop. So when you press enter, it will show us some of the suggested package, then the information related to this package. Now the package stop or the application stop is being easily installed in my system. So to verify it whether the stop is being installed in your system or not, we can simply run it, okay, by typing stop. So now you can see in my screen stop is being running successfully. Okay, so I'll just quit from here. So now we have look how we can update, upgrade as well as source and install the packages or the applications. So let's have a look how we can remove those applications from my system. So if I need to remove the package or the application called stop from my system, then I can do it through sudo apt remove then the package name. So in this example package name is stop. So if I type yes, then it will show us some of the progress regarding it. So now stop is being easily removed from my system. Okay, so if I need to verify whether it is being removed or not, I can simply press stop. Then you can see in my screen no source file directory. Before it was running, but now it has been stopped and shown us some of these no source of directory error. Okay, so now we have look how we can manage the packages through the command line. So let's have a look how we can do it through the GUI interface. So basically there is an application called Synaptic which has been available for Debian or Ubuntu based distros for managing the packages through the graphical mode. So in my case I have uninstalled it. So if I need to install it, I can do the same process. Okay, so before installing it I'll search for the package called Synaptic in my repositories. Okay, so to search for the package, when you type sudo apt, then I'll just type list only. Okay, sudo apt list, then the package name called synaptic listing done. Now it has not shown up this and if I do sudo source synaptic, oh sorry, I need to type sudo apt source synaptic. So now it has fetched synaptic package from the repositories. Now we can easily install it. Okay, so if I need to install it, I can do sudo apt install then the package name called synaptic. If I do yes, then it will show us some of the progress part. Okay, now it's been loading. Okay, so now the Synaptic application is being successfully installed in my system. So if I need to verify it whether it is being installed or not, I'll just go here and source for this application. So now you can see my screen Synaptic package manager. Okay, so if I hit enter, if I give my sudo password, now as you can see in my screen Synaptic package manager it's being loaded successfully. Now if I need to search for the package called stop, which you have removed a bit later, a bit before, then I can do stop, then search. Then you can see in the screen stop is being available. Okay, so it is some kind of a graphical user interface for the package management in Ubuntu or Debian based distros. Okay, so that's all it for, guys. So if you want to explore more of the tools regarding the package manager, please go its uh, please go its menu page, and if you need any suggestion, please comment below. Okay, so and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. So bye bye.